It's an absolutely free, no obligation demonstration, and on the first 20 calls, you get 25% off all materials and labor, plus 0% financing for 12 months on approved credit. All you got to do is dial pound 250 and say Eagle Shield. That's pound 250 and say Eagle Shield right now. Their team is standing by to help. Okay, I'm convinced this is a great thing that I need to do. So where does the homeowner start? The most important thing first.
Oh, that's right. It's the gas station
You have a problem. If you're
not yet, but
too hot in the summer, if you
starts
know that
still.
you're too cold in the winter, if you are not happy with your utility bills and you just see them going up and you keep living the same way, or you're even sacrificing, a lot of people sacrifice their comfort to keep their bills low. And if you're sacrificing your comfort and your bills are still going up, then I would just humbly suggest you give us a call. You dial from your phone pound 250, you schedule an inspection for us to come out. We do not charge you for that. We are privileged, and we will assess it, look at it, and let you know how we can best help you. I guess that's why you're 55,000 plus installation and still growing. Yes, well, 32 years, over 55,000 clients. I'd like to say that we've done it so long. What did Einstein say? The definition of a genius is you just do one thing long enough and the product definitely sells itself, and we are truly provide comfort, health, and save people money, which to me is really important right now. Besides that, our products are incredibly affordable. The installation process usually takes just one day, and the savings on the utility bill is received immediately. Our we have a 5-star red carpet, white glove install process, so no hassle installation. Like we're talking with Jared, certified energy consultant. His company, Eagle Shield, has worked with NASA for over 20 years. Now, Jared and his team are ready to sell it to a home. And if you'd like to do that, all you have to do is from a mobile phone. Pound 25% off all materials and labor, plus 0% dial pound 250 and say Eagle Shield. That's pound 250 and say Eagle Shield right now. Their team is standing by to help. 97% of the hot summer heat. But how does this NASA technology help in the winter? Excellent question, and exactly the same way. So, the beauty of reflective insulation is pure industrial grade Mylar together for a two-sided reflector. So when you install this in your attic, it's not only reflecting 97% of the summer heat away, but it reflects 97% of the winter industry back in. So, and that actually brings up a very important thing to talk about. 70% of our business tend to be seniors on fixed incomes, and one of the nightmares that we have to deal with a lot of times with seniors, especially senior women, is arthritis, osteoporosis. They're running the heaters all the time trying to stay warm. We call it the super senior syndrome. Nan is 90 years old wearing a sweater, running a heater, and it's 90 degrees outside. If you have a grandmother or great-grandmother living with you,
approaching a railroad crossing.
And so the problem is, people don't know this, when you run the heater more than you should because you're wasting, you're actually burning up the air in order to heat it. You ever notice when you run the heater and it runs too long, your throat gets all dry and constricted? It's because you're getting less oxygen because you're combusting it, you're burning it up. And that really affects seniors because they're running the heater trying to be warm. That's
I'm not doing that. I'm not breaking the law. Sorry, I refuse to break any rules.
You go to a snow area, you can always tell who's home.
Who the heck parked over? Oh, wow.
Snow on the roof.
Highly
You're paying your money
illegal.
to heat the world.
Perfect there,
That's
but
because you're not keeping
highly
that heat in.
illegal.
By reflecting 97% of that heat back in,
my
you're now
gosh.
8 to 12 degrees warmer in the winter. You run your
Oh, boy.
heater 70% less because you're not wasting.
Yeah, parts
Yes,
of it.
you save 44% off your therm charge for running in the winter, but more importantly, it's because you're far more comfortable, and that really has an impact.
it's open. No. Hey, Don. He's recognized you.
It's been great getting all this information on how we can save money on energy, how we can have a better quality of life, breathing better air, having our homes work more efficiently, having cleaner air so we don't have to dust so often, and the list goes on and on. Again, I want to thank you for joining us here today. Oh, it's been my honor and a privilege. Thank you very much. You've been listening to a special edition of At Home with KSBK. And if you'd like Garrett and his team to assess your home from your mobile phone, this is not a text, from your mobile phone, dial pound 250 and say Eagle Shield. They'll set up an absolutely free, no obligation demonstration, and the first 20 callers will receive 25% off all materials and labor, plus 0% financing for 12 months on approved credit. Again, dial pound 250 and say Eagle Shield. Thank you for joining us, and we'll talk to you next week. Take control of your heating bill this winter by insulating your home with Eagle Shield. Homes with Eagle Shield see up to a 44% reduction in heating and cooling costs, remain up to 12 degrees warmer while running the heater up to 70% less. Tom Sullivan for Eagle Shield simply said, Eagle Shield keeps the heat in your home during the winter and will save you on your heating bill. Call now. First 25 callers receive 25% off all labor and materials, plus no payments, no interest for 12 months OAC. And Eagle Shield will cover the tax. From your mobile phone, dial pound 250. When prompted, say the keywords Eagle Shield. One-day installation. Pound 250, say Eagle Shield.
KFBK, Alameda, KFL, and weather.
KSBK, Sacramento's News Radio, 93.1 FM, 1530 AM.
They're not leaving. I mean, come on. They're just wasting time. They're just wasting time. Not leaving.
From ABC News, I'm Dave Thacker. Tropical Storm Hillary has officially hit land in Mexico. ABC's Alex Stone is in the northern bands of the storm in Los Angeles County.
Landfall has now come fairly deep into Baja California, about 250 miles south of San Diego and the border with the U.S. As the made landfall, maximum sustained winds were down to 65 miles an hour, so the storm is losing strength pretty rapidly as expected as it moves over land. Still, though, the biggest concern for Southern California is the intense amount of rain. Heavy, sustained rain is falling here and will through tonight as Hillary moves north into the U.S.
Los Angeles Mayor Karen Bass with an urgent message for residents.
It is critical that Angelinos stay safe and stay home unless otherwise directed by safety officials. Avoid unnecessary travel. If you do not need to be on the road, please don't get in your car.
State of emergency there, and wildfires in Canada's British Columbia prompting a state of emergency there. Evacuations doubling, over 35,000 people forced to leave their homes. And President Biden and First Lady Jill Biden will head to Maui tomorrow. They'll meet with first responders and survivors and tour areas impacted by those deadly wildfires. FEMA Administrator Dan Criswell telling ABC this week that money for those who have been displaced is going out the door.
We've also given out already.
Okay.